Ready, start. Honorable Speaker, Sir, MSMEs are growth engines of our economy, full stop. Micro enterprises with turnover up to rupees 2 crore and certain professionals with turnover of up to rupees 50 lakh can avail the benefit of presumptive taxation, full stop. I propose to provide enhanced limits of rupees 3 crore and rupees 75 lakh respectively, to the taxpayers whose cash receipts are no more than 5%, full stop. Moreover, to support MSMEs in timely receipt of payments, I propose to allow deduction for expenditure incurred on payments made to them only when payment is actually made, full stop. Cooperation is a value to be cherished, full stop, in realizing our Prime Minister's goal of Shakhar se Samriddhi, and his resolve to connect the spirit of cooperation with the spirit of Amrit Kal, in addition to the measures proposed in Part A, I have a set of proposals for the cooperative sector, full stop. First, new cooperatives that commence manufacturing activities till 31.3.2024 shall get the benefit of a lower tax rate of 15%, as it presently available to new manufacturing companies, full stop. Secondly, I propose to provide an opportunity to sugar cooperatives to claim payments made to sugarcane farmers for the period prior to assessment year 2016 to 17 as expenditure, full stop. This is expected to provide them with a relief of almost rupees 10,000 crore, full stop. Thirdly, I am providing a higher limit of rupees 2 lakh per member for cash deposits to and loans in cash by primary agricultural cooperative societies and primary cooperative agriculture and rural development banks, full stop. Entrepreneurship is vital for a country's economic development, full stop. We have taken a number of measures for startups and they have borne results, full stop. India is now the third largest ecosystem for startups globally, and ranks second in innovation quality among middle income countries, full stop. I propose to extend the date of incorporation for income tax benefits to startups from 31.03.23 to 31.3.24, full stop. I further propose to provide the benefit of carry forward of losses on charge of shareholding of startups from 7 years of incorporation to 10 years, full stop, to reduce the pendency of appeals at commissioner level, I propose to deploy about 100 joint commissioners for disposal of small appeals, full stop. We shall also be more selective in taking up cases for scrutiny of returns already received this year by the Income Tax Department here, full stop. For better targeting of tax concessions and exemptions, I propose to cap deduction from capital gains on investment in residential house under sections 54 and 54F to rupees 10 crore, full stop. Another proposal with similar intent is to limit income tax exemption from proceeds of insurance policies with very high value, full stop. There are a number of proposals relating to rationalization and simplification, full stop. Income of authorities, boards and commissions set up by statutes of the union or state for the purpose of housing, development of cities, towns and villages, and regulating, or regulating and developing an activity or matter, is proposed to be exempted from income tax. Other major measures in this direction are 1, removing the minimum threshold of rupees 10,000 for TDS and clarifying taxability relating to online garming. 2, not treating conversion of gold into electronic gold receipt and vice versa as capital gain. 3, reducing the TDS rate from 30% to 20% on taxable portion of EPF withdrawal in non-PAN cases, and 4, taxation on income from market-linked debentures, full stop. Now, I come to what everyone is waiting for, personal income tax, full stop. I have 5 major announcements to make in this regard, full stop. These primarily benefit our hard-working middle class, full stop. The first one concerns rebate, full stop. Currently, those with income up to rupees 5 lakh do not pay any income tax in both old and new tax regimes, full stop. I propose to increase the rebate limit to rupees 7 lakh in the new tax regime, full stop. Thus, persons in the new tax regime, will with income up to rupees 7 lakh will not have to pay any tax, full stop. The second proposal relates to middle class individuals, full stop. I had introduced, in the year 2020, the new personal income tax regime with 6 months income slabs starting from rupees 2.5 lakh, full stop. I propose to change the tax structure in this regime by reducing the number of slabs to 5 and increasing the tax exemption limit to rupees 3 lakh, full stop. The new tax rates are rupees 0 to 3 lakh, nil, rupees 3 to 6 lakh, 5%, rupees 6 to 9 lakh, 10%, rupees 9 to 12 lakh, 15%, rupees 12 to 15 lakh, 20%, above rupees 15 lakh, 30%, full stop. This will provide major relief to all taxpayers in the new regime, full stop. An individual with an annual income of rupees 9 lakh will be required to pay only rupees 45,000, full stop. This is only 5% of his or her income, full stop. It is a reduction of 25%, full stop.